Hi, this is a rock floating in space. Some of them are made of atoms. Actually, most of them are atoms. I can't even get from here to there without splitting apart. It's sad. I'm sad. I miss you. A long time ago, one of these rocks were born in another rock floating in space called Earth and was used for decorations, riches, representation, power, spoils of war because it was too beautiful and gave it a name called crystal. Why though? Take the rock, split it in half, and it repeats itself. Zoom in and split it in half, still repeats itself. Go deeper and split it in half, still repeats itself in geometric scales and consistent patterns like cubic structure. Wow, that's symmetry and stuff. And this one guy from 2012 asked, hey, why can't there be a crystal that makes symmetry through time? And the rest answered, what do you mean? And he answered back, a crystal that repeats itself over and over again through time.
No, that's time travel. And a solid object can't move by itself, so it is impossible.
Oh, okay. But they still thought it was an excellent idea, so they gave it a thumbs up. Green news, somebody released a blueprint on how to make a time crystal, and someone in Harvard and Maryland University stole it, and both of them made a time crystal. Notice update, one of them made it by making a row of atoms, making them spin with magnets, which shot laser beams to make them repeat themselves. Notice update, another made one by a diamond doped with nitrogen centers, making them highly effective for microwaves. And it is in the microwave. Notice update, now they're trying to figure out what they have created by looking for X-ray cameras. Notice update, the crystal's moving, without any other force. And the laws of thermodynamics came over and said,
what are you doing here? Why are you moving? There's no force making you move, so how do you move?
Physicists come along and also ask the question, come on, time crystal, explain yourself. Oh look, it's Einstein.
Time is relative.
What's that? Time is what prevents everything from happening at once? And the time crystals answered,
Watch me.
time to do everything. And because everything is happening at once, every energy, momentum, position, movement, element, temperature, speed, velocity, distance, and every science equation of the crystal is compacted in our space-time. Congratulations! Now the time crystal is a mess, full of power and energy. And it's getting harder to contain it. And its power is slowly leaking. And it's getting really tight. Movement through space-time. Fair enough, replied the laws of thermodynamics, making it an exception by appointing it a new form of element. Works for me, said the physicist, giving the time crystal a middle name. Hold up, said all the other scientists, eating up the idea of something that repeats itself in a compacted space. We can make a religion out of this. We can use it to analyze the future and past by deciphering the contents, said the chronologist. We can use it to store data inside the crystal by manufacturing the atoms, said the quantum computers. We can study the new form of matter to help us solve the theory of everything, said the general physicist. We can make a video out of this, said many YouTubers, including me. Let's brainstorm, said everyone, not knowing how. And now everyone's rushing here and there, competing with each other and trying to get ahead of everyone. Oh, by the way, does anyone want to make a time crystal?